Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. In our previous lesson, we learned about the colors in Arabic according to their masculine and feminine form. Today, we are going to learn these examples. In Arabic, colors agree with the gender of words. For example, if the word is masculine, then any description should also agree with its gender. And if the word is feminine, then any description should agree with its gender. For example, هذا بيت أبيض كبير وجميل. In this example, بيت is masculine and its color أبيض is also in masculine form, and its adjective kabir and jamil are also in masculine form, and the pointing noun is also in masculine form. Hada means this, Baitun house, Abiyadu white, Kabir big, wow, and Jamil beautiful. This white house is big and beautiful. Next example is هذه سيارة سوداء جميلة وهي سريعة. In this example, سيارة is feminine. So referring to feminine, we are using all words in feminine. This is known as word agreement. The noun is feminine, the color is feminine, and the adjective is also in feminine form. هذه this سيارة car سوداء black جميلة beautiful wow and here it سريعة fast. In this example, سيارة is in feminine form, so سوداء color is also in feminine form. جميلة and سريعة are also in feminine form. It means this black car is beautiful and it is fast. Another example is green tea. In Arabic, tea is known as shai, which is in masculine form, so its describing color will be also in masculine form, which is known as akhdar. Shai akhdar. The next example is brown coffee. Coffee means qahwa, which is in feminine form, so its describing color will be also in feminine form. Its mean qahwatun bunniyah. Qahwatun bunniyatun. The next example is brown house. House is masculine in Arabic, so its describing color will be also in masculine form. Baitun bunni. Baitun bunni. And if the word is definite, then the second verb will be also in definite form. For example, al-baytul abyad. Al-baytul abyad. It's mean the white house. The next example is white cat. In Arabic, it is known as qitwatun bayda. Qitwatun bayda. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.